preacher's son. And when his daddy would visit, he'd come along. When they gathered around and started talking, Cousin Billy would take me walking. Out through the backyard we go walking. Then he looked into my eyes. Lord knows to my surprise, the only one who could ever reach me was the son of a preacher man. The only boy who could ever teach me was the son of a preacher man. Yes, he was. He was. Yes, he was. Being good isn't always easy, no matter how hard I try. When he started sweet talking to me, he'd come and tell me everything is alright. He'd kiss and tell me everything's alright. Can I get away again tonight? The only one who could ever reach me was the son of a preacher man. The only boy who could ever teach me was the son of a preacher man. Yes, he was. He was. Lord knows he was. Yes, he was. How well I remember the look was in his eyes, stealing kisses from me on the slide, taking time to make time, telling me that he's all mine, learning from each other's knowing, looking to see how much we've grown. And the only one who could ever reach me was the son of a preacher man. The only boy who could ever teach me was the son of a preacher man. Yes, he was. He was. Oh, yes, he was. The only one who could ever reach me. He was the sweet talking son of a preacher man. The only boy who could ever teach me. I guess he was the son of a preacher. The only one who could ever move me sweet was the son of a preacher man. The only one who could ever move me was the son of a preacher man.
I said, jumping out of bed, I got something in my head. It's a picture, it's a story of Broughton and his glory. Gonna send it to the Salford Star. If you have something to say, maybe it's a fun day down your way. I'll fight for you right on a building site, on the land where your house once stood. They'll pull no punches, they'll fight hard to get your cause heard wide and far. Donations welcome and support, 'cause it's our Salford Star. Donations welcome and support, 'cause it's our SalfordStar.com.
Telling you now, I'm telling you right away. I'll be saying for many a day, I'm in love with you now. I'm telling you now, I'll say what you wanna hear. I'll be saying for many a year, I'm in love with you now. Do you think I'm fooling when I say I love you? You. Maybe you believe me when I'm finally through. I'm telling you now, I know it's been said before. Say you love me, I will be sure I'm in love with you now. Love you. Many a day, I'm in love with you now. Do you think I'm fooling when I say I love you? I love you. Maybe you'll believe me when I'm finally through. I'm telling you now, I know it's been said before. Say you love me, I will be sure I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you now. I'm telling you now.
Kino Audio Visuals sponsor the Sounds of Salford for all your TV and audio needs. 388 Ballamore Road, Charlton. Can I just tell you, forgot to put the jingles in then? Oh, yes, it was me. I got to the end, virtually near the end of the show. I thought, oh no, I'm not putting jingles in. So you got two for the price of one. You got the Salford Star and you got Kino. Right, guess what? Oh, guess what? It's only 2 days till Cohen's Rants. Yes, Cohen's Rants. I've got to say a massive thank you to Cohen, because since we started doing this show, the figures have gone absolutely through the roof. We used to get about 2,500 listeners a show, 2,500 to 300. Now, we're getting nearly treble that. Yes, when me and him are on together, don't know what it is, but everyone in Salford seems to be listening. You know, I think it's the way we have our perspective outlook on life, and I think it's bang on perfect, to be honest. Right, sadly, we're coming right to the end of the show now, so I'm going to finish off with two classics. Yes, I'm going to finish off with Little Alton's very only Happy Mondays with Step On, and a bit of Labby Sifre, It Must Be Love, because everybody needs a little bit of love now and again, don't they? Especially the Williams, do you know what I mean? Just a little bit of love, that's all I need. Not a lot, just a little bit. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed what you've listened to tonight. If you haven't, you've listened to Radio Merseyside. If you have, you've listened to the Sounds of Salford. And if you have, right, and you've enjoyed what you've listened to, you could even throw a like on the Facebook page. Not that I'm saying you've got to, right, but, you know, get all the great shows we've got coming up then. And I'll tell you what, we have got some half-decent ones coming up, I'm telling you. We don't want to do documentaries now. We can mix anything due to this mixer we've got. Right, until the next time, do me a massive favour and take care. And if you're going out in Salford tonight, make sure you put that coat on, I'm telling you, because it's absolutely pissing down.
I do. And I never thought I'd feel this way, the way I feel about you. As soon as I wake up, any night, any day, I know that it's you I need to take the blues away. It must be love, love, love. It must be love, love, love. Nothing more, nothing less. Love is the best. How can it be that we can say so much without words? Bless you and bless me, baby. Bless the bees and the birds. I've got to be near you every night, every day. I couldn't be happy, baby, any other way. It must be love, love, love. It must be love, love, love. Nothing more, nothing less. Love is the best. As soon